Hello progressors, welcome back to Progress. Wait, name change. Hello progressors, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea. If it is your first time to my channel, I'd like to welcome you. What I do on this channel is luxury unboxings, talk about personal growth, personal finance, and travel. But today's video is about what's in my bag, in this bag, my first Louis Vuitton bag. If you have not seen that video yet, go ahead and click on the link in the description below so you can see the unboxing and the detail associated with this bag if you have not seen it. So this bag I currently use as my everyday bag. So I take it to work, and so what's in here is both like stuff I use at work, stuff I use on my everyday when I'm going to work, and stuff that I also use when I'm at home during the weekend or going out and all that. Right now, like I said, it is my everyday, every weekday, every weekend bag. I do plan on adding a lot more bags to my collection, but for now, this is my main squeeze. So anyway, I'll get right into the bag. I'll start from the outside. I bought this Hermes Twilly. I really liked it. I like the contrast of like brightening this bag without really committing to buying a really bright bag. And it is just a Twilly that I tied into a bow onto the bag. I have the facets bag charm on here as well. I got this from Fashion File, actually. It was used and I really liked it. I wanted to try it out before I bought the brand new one, which is about $300, but I got this on Fashion File for less. And then there's nothing else on the bag, but I really love this Twilly. It adds so much color. I plan on buying a couple more just for all my bags because, you know, I'm still a girly girl. I love all that. And then inside the bag I have a bag organizer. I just wanted to show you before I start taking everything out. I have a bag organizer in here, which I love. And basically I got the bag organizer from Amazon, and it was a what's it called? The bag organizer was by Jenny Craft, sorry, yeah, on Amazon. And I think she has a website. I think I first saw her on the website, then I saw her selling the organizers on Amazon, so I went ahead and bought them through Amazon. And it was a great deal, and I love this organizer. You'll see why, but I'm going to take out everything one by one so you can see. I have sunglasses, Michael Kors sunglasses. These are the only like expensive sunglasses I have. Like, I've only recently got into buying expensive luxury things like this year, which is when I'm 30, so I guess my entire 20s I never really spent a lot of money on like goods, I think. And also, honestly, in the beginning of my 20s I did not make that much money, but now I make a decent amount. I've made some investments. I still have a long ways to go, but I'm really excited for the future. So now I feel better about like spoiling myself. Okay, so I have sunglasses. These are Michael Kors. Yes, I know Michael Kors is not designer, but for me, spending over $100 on sunglasses at the time was a big deal. The more I've gotten into luxury stuff, it's not $100 doesn't seem like a lot anymore for sunglasses, but you know, everything in graduations. I really love these and I use them all the time. So I keep those in my purse, my everyday bag. As I've alluded to before, I do have the 6-ring key holder from Louis Vuitton. This was my first Louis Vuitton piece that I bought back in June. So I started with the key holder, then I got so excited that I was like, I need a bag, so I bought the bag a month later. So this is the key holder. It just has like my car keys, my house keys, and like garage and all that on here. I do love this. This cost per wear is amazing. Okay, and then I have hand sanitizer. So I just have like just a, you know, hand sanitizer, like a spray one. And then I have a bag hanger. You know, like when you go out and you're at dinner and you can't like put your bag on the table. Like, this is one that I keep like in my purse. I got this like years ago when I went to London, probably in 2016-ish. I got this, and it was from Harrods. I got it in Harrods from Espinal of London. It is so pretty, and as you can see, the detail is beautiful, and I've had it for years. I just didn't use it. Now I have a bag that I feel is worthy of using this item with, so I just keep it in my bag, so when I go out I have, like, you know, I have access to being able to hang my bag without having to put it on the floor or on the back of my chair or something. The next item I have in here is my wallet. This is my other piece that I bought. I got this used as well because by the time I saw this on the Louis Vuitton website, they no longer had this available. Like, I could not find it, so I bought it used. I got it off Poshmark actually, and it's just a really good, beautiful wallet. I will put a link below of the name of the wallet. I think it's a Pallas wallet, P-A-L-L-A-S, compact. They consider this compact, and now after using it for a few weeks, I think this is too big for me. I think I'm more of a card holder type of person, so I will definitely be buying a smaller card holder directly from Louis Vuitton. I do really love this wallet, but like I said, it is too big for my liking. What else do I have in here? I have my AirPods. I just put them in like a little pink case. Oh, they're both in here. Sometimes I have a bad tendency to like be listening to them and then I just leave them somewhere and I gotta like frantically search for where I've put them. So it's just my AirPods. And then I have this little pochette, mini pochette. I got also this on the pre-loved market because they're really hard to find, and I had to just buy this again off Poshmark. I got a good deal off of it. It was still in decent condition, but this is where I keep like all my like touch-up items. Like, I have, what is this? Floss. I have floss. I have mascara, NARS mascara. If you haven't heard about this, this is amazing. I have like a couple of what's it called? I have a couple of lip glosses. These are like crayon case lip glosses. I love crayon case. Some of my favorite makeup. I'm not a big makeup person, honestly. I probably only really wear makeup when I come onto YouTube to talk to you guys, so I can look somewhat decent, so you're not so focused on the fact that I look crazy. But in day-to-day life, honestly, I do not wear a lot of makeup. So I have, this is my favorite lip gloss by the Crayon Case. I will link stuff like this in the description below if you're interested at all. It's called Pecan Popping. Like, that's the lip gloss I have on now. I absolutely love it. I have, like, you know, I even have this little sprayer. It's like a little travel size like perfume. Like, you just like put it on any perfume bottle and you can just have perfume with you at all times. I have headache medicine. I mean, this is just like my little catch-all so that I don't have like a bunch of things like floating all over the place. But I do love this, and I was happy to be able to get this on the pre-loved market. It was a great buy. I've also bought this after I bought the bag because I was like, oh, I don't want to have, even if I have an organizer, I want to have something small where I can put all my stuff in. And then what else? What else is in here? I have my work ID. Try not to show too much detail, just my work ID in here. I have another bag hanger, basically. I got this one off Amazon. I think at the time I couldn't find the Aspinall of London one, which, like I said, I'll put a link in the description below for that. So I went ahead and bought these, and now I don't use it. I just keep it in my bag just in case someone else needs a bag hanger. I randomly have a MAC lip liner, which I barely use, but putting this lip liner with this lip gloss, honey, yes, beautiful. I have lotion, because I am very big on lotion, and so I just buy these like travel size lotions. And you know, every time I wash my hands, I have to put on lotion. I don't know what it is about like the soap they use at work. It's so like drying. And then I just keep my lock for the bag in here. Anyway, what else is in here? I just have random business cards, the box for the lock, oh, tags for like my makeup. Bought new foundation recently. And then I have my goal setting bag. I like to still keep it in the plastic, but it's just my goal setting bag. Book bag. It's my goal setting book. So I try to read that, you know, at least a couple times a week to stay on track. And I think I've officially emptied everything. So now I will take out the bag organizer so you can see it. This is like the middle pouch for the organizer. Okay. And then I'm just gonna squeeze it out. Here is the organizer. So it folds in so you can put it in, and it fits in there pretty snugly, but also does not, you know, cause the edges that some of the base shapers will do. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just thought it would be interesting to see what I personally carry in my everyday bag. I plan on buying my next bag probably on my birthday, which is in February, and I will do another unboxing for a bag at that time. So anyway, if you like this video and would like to see more of these videos, then please like this video, subscribe, and also my next video is going to be about the top 3 travel, like luxury travel credit cards out there. So yeah, that's all I got. Thanks guys. Bye.